Hello there friends, once again from Akash. Right now I'm standing in a scenic location near Solan in Himachal Pradesh. You can see that I'm nearby a beautiful river surrounded by the mountains. I'm here traveling with my family, kind of taking a short break before we get to innovating again. You will also notice that the Nexon EV has driven us here. This car is simply brilliant, wonderful, the most lovely piece of equipment I've ever owned, and I'm 200% satisfied with the Nexon EV as a customer. And needless to say, the Nexon EV is right now driven by the NextCruise system. In my own car, it has almost clocked more than 5,000 kilometers till date. It's powered by NextCruise and it is going on to mature the system. Okay, more on that later. But before that, a big regard and thanks and a shout out to all the Tata engineers who have made this lovely piece of equipment happen. We posted the first video on the proof of concept for the system that would go on to become NextCruise about a month ago, and we got phenomenal response on that from the community. Cruise control was truly a pain point that everybody wanted to be solved, so we decided to take it up seriously and really conclude it into a great product. And the approach that we took was a community approach. So the entire Pan India Nexon EV owners community came together to make the NextCruise happen. So first of all, the community themselves given it the name, the beautiful name NextCruise. It was given to the system by Mr. Janardhanan of Bangalore. So in recognition to his contribution, we are honored to gift him an Amazon gift card worth rupees 5,000. So Jana, you are going to get the gift card soon in your email. And thanks for your contribution. Then we opened up the early adopters phase a few weeks ago and we got 102 responses. People who would like to test the NextCruise system as the first adopters and who would give feedback and who would help us improve the system. So out of 102 people, we offered 10 people to be the first users of the NextCruise on the weekend that has gone by. All but 2 people have got the NextCruise installed in their cars. So right now as we speak, all of the systems are going around being driven, and we have so far clocked 5,500 kilometers collectively. Our goal is to clock 21,000 kilometers or more before we go on to the next phase of the product evolution. Now while these systems are being tested by the NEAT members, the NextCruise early adopter team members, we opened up the opportunity of getting a price and a priority lock for all the members who had expressed their interest to be early adopters. And I'm happy to share that we have received bookings from almost all of those 92 members. So there are close to almost 100 users who are going to get the NextCruise system in the first round of iterations. So this is a very good head start and it is definitely much better than what I had personally expected. So here's the note of thanks for each and every one of you who have encouraged us and put us on this path. So we are going to create great things together. Going forward, first a message for those of you who want the NextCruise systems but you have not been able to come on board as early adopters. So in the description below, you are going to find a link to a form. So please fill that form and we'll notify you when the pre-orders for the system start. And the systems are now going to go through an evolution depending upon the feedback from the NEAT team members, and that is going to mature the system further, and there will be a slight increase in price, but we'll make sure that it is not exorbitant. It always makes sense to you. And second up, there are many of you who have taken time out of your schedules to give us feedback and your wish list about such a system by sending your feedbacks. So in the coming weeks, we are going to take up those points one by one, talk about it, share with you, and brainstorm on what should actually go into the system. And For those of you whose ideas make into the system, we will be sending a small gift to you as a token of thanks for your contribution. So to summarize, the early adopters phase is now over. It has gone on very successfully by our scale. Almost 100 people have onboarded as the Nextcruise first users, and the Nextcruise system is being driven around. It has clocked almost 5,500 kilometers collectively, and we are going to clock almost 21,000 kilometers before we go on to the next phase. Now it is going to undergo a hardware and a software upgrade, and more features are going to come in depending on the inputs that we will receive from the NEAT squad. And the pre-orders phase is now going to open up, and there is a link in the description below, so please fill that form if you would like us to notify you when the pre-orders open up. The price of the pre-orders is also not going to be exorbitantly high or unreasonable, and it is going to come with a hardware upgrade and new features. So I'm sure you are going to love it, and we look forward to install the Nextcruise systems in your cars as soon as possible. Thanks for being there with us. Please stay tuned. Goodbye from all of us.